Hi guys, SEO viewer here. Today we're going to be talking about how to generate YouTube videos in the style of a YouTube competitor that you can rival with or look up to using YTW Pro. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go down to the channel analysis tool and type in the channel handle for a channel that you're competing with. Let's let that be, in our case, Vid IQ. So if we scroll down here, we can generate video ideas that Vid IQ would generate off their channel. So we'll do that really quick. And so it's finished the generation and we've got 10 different video ideas. But that still doesn't tell us much about what the format of the videos posted would actually be like. So let's take one of these and copy and paste both the video title and description. And we'll head over to the script, the agentic script tool, and insert the information there to get an idea of what the script would look like. Okay, so we're in the agentic script generator tool. I'm going to copy and paste the video title. Video type will be educational/tutorial. Video duration should be medium. Target audience will be aspiring YouTubers. Script tone will be professional. And then the key points will mention the video description that we had seen before. So let me go ahead and copy and paste that really quick. And we'll start the generation. Okay, so the script has been generated. And we can get an idea for how our competitors would produce videos in their own right. Granted, this is not a 100% copy of what they would do, but it gives you a generalized idea of how they would format their videos and can serve as a basis to help you generate your own scripts for your own channel. If you like what you see here and you'd like to perform this sort of research into your competitors, I've included links in both the video description as well as the pinned comment.